Hi, in this episode, we're going to talk about the table of processes. Table of processes is a utility that's used in Linux to give you a real-time view of your system resource usage and a list of running processes. How it works is simply by using the top command or table of processes. And with that, you get, again, a table of all the processes with their process ID, their priority, their memory and CPU usage, along with some general system information, like your memory usage, your load on the PC for the past 1, 5, or 15 minutes, your memory information, and it's interactive, so within the top utility, you can reprioritize processes that might be using too much or too little of your system resources, and you can even kill processes. You can change the dynamic viewing interval so that it updates every 5 or 10 or whatever interval you prefer to see your system information. In the upcoming lab, we're going to show you how to use table of processes in order to manage processes on your Linux system. Please join me in the next lab. In this episode, we're going to talk about the table of processes, or the top utility. How it works is simply giving you a dynamic real-time view of your processes. So when I run top, you can see how many tasks are running total, 3 are running, 226 are sleeping, how many are stopped, how many are in a zombie state, and your CPU usage, your memory usage, and your swap memory usage. And now here is the table of all the processes that are running inside my server here. You can filter by typing U, and you can filter for a specific user. You can type M to filter by or to get the memory statistics, and you can type P for or actually you can type help to see all the different ways to actually use the top utility, allowing you to toggle colors, toggle bold, summary tasks, toggle by memory, that's lowercase m, CPU, all these ways of actually adjusting. And of course, you can manipulate tasks such as killing a task or adjusting task priority, updating the interval at which the table is actually updated, and a lot of helpful features that come along with that. So again, if you want to kill, I can type K for kill, and here it says which process to target, and by default, it targets this very first process by process ID 12530. I'm going to say, sure, it's this one. And it says which kill signal, 15, 9, or 1. I'm going to say 15 is the terminate signal. And I will then use this to terminate the process. And there it goes. I can also adjust the priority by typing R. And by default, again, it selects the first one. I will keep this one and say renice it to value 5. And again, you can see the value, new nice value being applied, thus allowing you to manipulate the tasks. And finally, when I'm ready to kill, I'll type K for kill, choose this default ID, and kill this DD process as well. And there it goes. So again, top is a very handy utility, letting you know a lot of information, including the load average on the computer, the state of processes, the CPU and memory statistics, swap memory statistics, and your entire table of processes down below, allowing you to get a real-time view of the running items on this server. So that is the top utility, incredibly useful when it comes to managing processes on a server. Thank you for watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.